In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Reddit account. If you've decided that you're done with Reddit and want to permanently close your account, I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain what everything means so you know exactly what you're doing before you confirm anything. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the Reddit app and log into the account you want to delete. Make sure it's the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main settings page. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the Account tab. If you're on a different tab, such as Profile or Privacy, simply click Account so you're in the right place. Now, scroll down this page until you find a section called Advanced. This section is usually near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. Under the Advanced section, you'll see an option that says Delete Account. Click on that. When you click Delete Account, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Reddit's way of making sure you really want to do this, since deleting an account is permanent. In this pop-up, you'll see a field where you can enter a reason for leaving. This part is completely optional. You can type something in if you want to share feedback with Reddit, or you can leave it blank and move on. Below that, Reddit will ask you to enter your username and your password for this account. This step is required to confirm that it's really you who's making the request, and not someone else using your device or your browser. Carefully type in your Reddit username, and then your password. You'll also see a checkbox next to a statement that says something like, "I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable." This is very important. Once you delete your account, you won't be able to get it back, and you won't be able to log in with it again. Read that statement, and if you agree and you're sure you want to continue, check the box to confirm. Finally, when everything is filled out and the box is checked, click the delete button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Reddit will process your request, and your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Reddit account is now deleted and can't be recovered.